barbecue, Murray. Anyway, it's your call. You can either stay here and rot, or you can take part in something that matters.
What have I turned into? I'm ashamed of myself.
Oh, come on. Don't be so hard on yourself. You're under so much stress and, you lost a lot of skin. You just weren't aware of what you were saying.
Here I go, muchacho. What is dead may never die.
Go, Murray, and don't look back. I have the feeling that may have been my last conversation with the finest police officer this repulsive world has ever seen. Honestly, I don't know what'll become of this town without good old Murray. The only thing I know is we're gonna miss you, officer. No way! You did it! Murray!
I'm back.
Fucking hell, Murray! You're a talking skeleton now! Cool!
I know, right? What do you say we start getting ready for that ultimate barbecue?
I like the way you think, Murray. Let's do this! Well, here's your barbecue.
Great! Lunch is here! I'm sorry, Famine. I'll guess you'll just have to eat with your eyes. Hey, wait a second. Where's the food?
Right, the food.
We told you, we just eat human flesh, and don't you dare bring us a decaying body or anything like that.
And, let me ask you a question. How do you expect me to find fresh human flesh? All right, I'll find it. Well, here we are, the end of the world. Who would have guessed?
Yep!
And even so, there's a party going on up on the rooftop.
Whoa, wait a second. There's a party on the roof?
Well, that's what I heard. They said it's gonna be huge. They're even having a barbecue.
Awesome! Some burgers would go down great, but
But what?
I haven't heard from Sally all day. Her phone's off. That's just not normal. I'm getting a little worried here. What if the guys at the dress store kidnapped her?
Seriously, that worries you? That the guys from the wedding dress store might have kidnapped her?
Those places give me some really bad vibes. I've always thought they have a creepy old man who hides out in the basement, comes up at night and tries on all the dresses.
Anyway, you're not gonna believe this, but I saw Sally at the party.
Really?
Come on, do you think I'd lie about something like that?
Come on, Randall. You told me once that Sally was inside the garbage disposal unit, and I almost lost an arm trying to fish her out.
That's right. I still can't believe you fell for that one.
But is it true then? Sally's at the party?
Yes, that's what I said.
I see.
What's wrong? I thought you'd want to go see her.
Yeah, but she'll be hanging out with her friends, and I just can't stand them. Them girls are some real bitches.
Relax, she was alone.
Well, maybe I'll stop by later. We'll see.
Your call. Okay, I see you don't really feel like going. I guess I'll have to find someone a bit more Rodney Dangerfield to go with.
Come on, don't get mad at me. Things have to be done right. And you know, I'm really not sure that a party is what I need right now.
Well, it's your choice. Why would I want to fill my living room with suffocating heat and that apocalyptic chanting? Seriously, Matt? Dude, just forget about everything and let's go party.
I don't know, dude. What kind of music are they playing?
Well, I wouldn't know how to put it. Epic is the word that comes to mind.
You know that if I don't like the music, I end up getting bored. And when I get bored, I drink more than I should. And when I drink more than I should, things happen like Vesuvius Matt. Do we really want another Vesuvius Matt, Randall?
Dude, I don't know if you're gonna like the music, but that doesn't mean we can't have a good time.
I don't know, man. I just don't see it. If it turns out I like the music, then perfect. If not, I think I'll stay here on this comfy couch.
Quite a plan. Oh, by the way, I heard there's enough booze up there to knock out Boris Yeltsin himself.
Ooh, that sounds good, but...
But what?
You know me, Randall. I have my principles. I can't go to a party uninvited and empty-handed. At least I should take my own booze, don't you think?
Oh, God. Matt Griffin talking about doing the right thing? The world is definitely going to hell.
It's just a matter of etiquette, my friend.
Etiquette? Okay, now you're just messing with me. Come on, you don't even know what that word means.
I'm serious, Randall. I'm not going to that party if I can't take my own alcohol.
All right, I'll see what I can do. Okay, I see you don't really feel like going. I guess I'll have to find someone a bit more Rodney Dangerfield to go with.
Come on, don't get mad at me. Things have to be done right. And you know, I'm really not sure that a party is what I need right now.
Well, it's your choice.
Hey, hold on, is that music coming from the party?
Sure, I told you it's an epic party.
That's fucking amazing. It's like if goddamn Armageddon was upon us.
Yeah, sort of.
Okay, I do like the music, but
What now?
I still don't have any booze. If I could only get some alcohol.
Dude, who cares about that? Nobody's gonna turn you away at the door if you don't come supplied with your own booze.
I told you, Randall. It's a question of etiquette.
Okay, have it your way. Hey, what a lovely day, huh? You don't look so good, my friend. I thought it was me who was cursed. Go on. I'm a what?
Don't you think?
What's wrong? Did you run out of lame cable television life lessons?
When a man seeks answers, so anxiously,
Oh, that's a new one. I especially like the ending.
living like this is torture.
Oh, I'm sure you had it coming. You know, karma and stuff, right? Oh, my friend, you seem a bit down today.
A bit? I've never felt worse in my entire life.
Yeah, I believe you.
This is worse than hell. I just want anything that can make me feel better.
I have a feeling you don't feel very good, do ya?
I can see someone's had their Weetabix today.
You know, if I were you, I wouldn't be so cocky. You're in no position to be mocking anyone.
I can't take this anymore. I think I'm dying.
You know, you do have that greenish corpse-like hue about you.
I'm not dead. I just need to brighten up a little.
And I need some new sneakers. It's not a perfect world, my friend, especially right now.
If you help me, I will get you the ring back.
Oh, sure you will. You really think I'm that stupid? You had the chance to make things right, but instead you decided to steal the ring from me and give me electric shocks. So fuck off.
Everybody has the right to make bad decisions. But what happens when...
Oh, seriously, cut it out with the cheap TV philosophy. It's not helping you. That's what you get for betraying me.
I didn't betray you! The ring just came to me.
Oh, sure. That's what you want to call taking it from me with your own two filthy hands, you business bum?
You don't get it! It belongs to me!
Well, it looks like you lost it again, I'm afraid.
Because... you took it from me! And you lost it!
Whatever. What I did learn from that experience is that you can't be trusted. Well, that and, if you give a bum a big electric shock, they smell like grilled sardines. Do you have any plans for later?
Well, if I still feel this bad in around half an hour... I was thinking about ripping my guts out myself. If it will in any way relieve this agony...
Oh, I don't know. If you're really that sick, why don't you just go to a doctor?
Are you serious?
Hardly ever. I just wanted to see your reaction.
Very funny. Actually, I'm seriously considering jumping into the lava.
Oh, come on, man. Don't do that. You have so much to live for.
You... You're kidding, right?
Of course. Look, the world's gone to hell, and to be honest, I couldn't care less about you. I'm really busy.
Then... if you're not gonna help me, just get the hell out of here.
All right, I'm out of here. Besides, your body odor has gotten worse since the last time we met. Oof.
What the hell did you expect?
I can't stand to see suffering like this.
If you're here to make fun of me again, just go.
All right, pal, here you go. I got you a warm drink. It'll make you feel better.
Seriously?
Well, it worked when Mortimer ate that rat.
Whoa!
Shut up and drink it! All that retching is getting on my nerves. It's like you had a zombie orchestra in your putrid guts. You can either drink it or get pushed into the lava. Which is it?
Wow! I do feel better. The gut rot is gone. And I think the seething stomach cramps have eased as well.
Attaboy. Drink up.
You said that'd make me feel better.
And you said you'd be my oracle.
What?
I'm gonna save just a little bit, okay? I hope you don't mind.